Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create a custom thumbnail for your YouTube video. Why thumbnails matter. A thumbnail is like a mini poster for your video. It's the first thing people see before they click to watch. A good thumbnail can make a huge difference in how many people choose to watch your video. Get started with a thumbnail size. YouTube recommends that your thumbnail be 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels tall. This size is perfect because it looks clear and sharp on any device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or computer. Use a design tool. You don't need to be a professional designer to create a great thumbnail. There are many free tools online like Canva, Adobe Express, or PicMonkey which make it easy to design a custom thumbnail. These tools offer templates where you can add your own images, text, and colors. Choose a high-quality image. Your thumbnail should be visually appealing and clear. Use a high-quality image that relates to your video. You can take a screenshot from your video or use a relevant photo. Make sure the image is not blurry. Add eye-catching text. Including text in your thumbnail can help people understand what your video is about at a glance. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts and keep the text short. Phrases like how to, top 5, or best tips can make your thumbnail more interesting. Use bright colors. Bright colors help your thumbnail stand out. You can use a combination of colors that contrast well with each other. However, don't go overboard with too many colors. 2 or 3 is usually enough. Keep it simple. While it's tempting to add many elements to your thumbnail, simple designs are often more effective. Focus on one main image and a short title or phrase. This will help viewers quickly understand what your video is about. Test and improve. Once you create your thumbnail, see how it performs. If your video isn't getting as many views as you'd like, try changing the thumbnail and see if it makes a difference. Sometimes, small changes like adjusting the colors or text can have a big impact. Upload your thumbnail. After creating your custom thumbnail, upload it when you're setting up your video on YouTube. On the video upload page, you'll see an option to upload a custom thumbnail. Click on it, select your image, and save. Follow YouTube's guidelines. YouTube has some rules for thumbnails. Make sure your thumbnail is appropriate, doesn't mislead viewers, and follows YouTube's community guidelines. This way, you avoid any issues with your video. Creating a custom thumbnail might take a little extra time, but it's worth it. A good thumbnail can help your video get more views, which means more people will see the content you worked hard to create. So take the time to make a thumbnail that stands out.